How to change language in darkest days. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're looking for a way to change your language setting in Darkest Days game, then first of all, go ahead and open up the Darkest Days application on your device. Once you're inside the gameplay, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu icon or the mobile phone icon, and from the expanded menu, click the gear button at the bottom. Once you open up this settings menu, go ahead and tap on QOL from the top. Inside QOL, select language option, this one, and then tap on change right next to the selected language. Now choose a different language you want to use for your device's interface, for your game's interface, and after selecting your preferred language, click OK. Now you'll see your interface in a different language of your selection. If the language does not immediately change, restart the game and check the language setting again. So that's how you successfully change the language in Darkest Days application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.